I'm Jennifer Mouat. I'm a graduate of Bernie Elementary School, Pioneer Junior High, and Walla Walla High School. I'm the mother of 2 children who are likely to be graduates of the same 3 institutions, and I'm the daughter of a father who is a graduate of the same 3 institutions. And I'm going to be serving on the Bond Oversight Committee, and I'm really excited about that, both because I'm passionate about our schools and I'm looking for ways to be more involved, and because I have experience working as an office manager and keeping an oversight on the expenditures there. So I think I can bring some of those same skills to bear. If you have any questions, I encourage you to contact Superintendent Wade Smith or visit the school district website. And I'd also like to encourage you to remember to vote.